If you've ever opened a PNG and noticed that fake checkerboard background showing behind your subject, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the fastest way to remove that background in Photoshop using the built-in Remove Background tool. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and perfect when your subject has clear contrast against the background. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and simple editing guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open your image in Photoshop. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting the PNG file you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side. If your layer is named Background and it has a little lock icon, or if it's labeled Index, that means the layer may be locked or not fully editable yet. To fix that, just double-click the layer. Photoshop will ask you to rename it or convert it into a normal layer. Click OK, and now your image is ready for editing as a standard layer, usually called Layer 0. This step matters because it gives Photoshop the freedom to apply changes without being restricted by the original background layer. Next, you'll need to open the Properties panel. If you don't already see it, go to the top menu, click Window, and then choose Properties. The Properties panel will appear, usually on the right side of your workspace. Inside that panel, scroll all the way down until you find the Quick Action section. This is where Photoshop keeps some of its fastest one-click tools, including the option we need today. Now click the Remove Background button. As soon as you do that, Photoshop's AI will analyze the image and automatically create a mask around your subject. If the image has a strong contrast and the fake background is easy to separate, this usually works incredibly well. In just a moment, you should see the checkerboard background removed and your subject isolated on a transparent background. That means you're now left with a clean PNG style cutout that you can place on top of other designs, product mockups, thumbnails, or social media graphics. If the result looks good, you're done. You can save the file by going to File, then Save As, and choose a format that preserves transparency, like PNG. That way your removed background stays transparent when you use the image elsewhere. If you want to double check the mask, you can also look at the layer thumbnail to see that Photoshop has applied the background removal non-destructively, which is helpful if you ever want to refine it later. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to remove a fake PNG background in Photoshop using the fastest one-click method. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up an image when the subject is clearly separated from the background, and it can save you a lot of time compared to manual selections. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.